So first couple of things to address with cervical and thoracic self-care is we want to look at your common positioning. So a lot of times the past few months, everybody's got increased screen time. And a lot of times whatever we're looking at, we kind of gravitate towards it. So if it's laptop or tablet or even phone, we try to start in an upright position, end up getting into this kind of T-Rex position. We've got arms drawn in, our chin kind of protruding forward, and we're getting into a slump back position. So we can try to correct that in sitting to start with. And best way to do that is try to sit and get into an overcorrect posture. So going from our almost turtle shell back, sit upright with it, sit up tall enough to where you start to feel a strain in low back, and then you want to ease off a little bit until that strain is no longer present. You can even have somebody help if they can look. You want your ear resting right over the top of your shoulder. A couple exercises to also combat some of that consistent positioning when you're really flexed forward. First one is a seated chin tuck. So again, in that upright posture, starting from here, and you want to try to retract, chin straight back. Make your best double chin, and relax back forward. No long hold at the end. Just want to get to that end position, and then relax. You can also simulate same movement with laying down. We'll try that one next. So we do it up on a table. Of course, you can also do it on the floor. Get a towel roll and have that relax just under forehead. Arms relaxing down at your side. And you want to keep looking underneath the towel roll throughout, and then try to retract back. Take the top of your head up towards the ceiling as best as you can, and total relax on the way back down. First two address cervical spine. I also have a couple that can quickly look at getting some increased extension through thoracic spine. So first one in sitting, from there, getting fingers interlaced just behind head and neck, elbows pointing straight ahead. You can relax up against the back of the chair. Make sure it's a sturdy chair. You can extend back as best as you can, trying to get elbows up to ceiling, and relax back to upright sitting again. Relaxing its chair into extension. If that one doesn't work, or you feel like it's still blocked in some motion, you can take that same thing to the wall. So hands, arms in same position. This one, you start with a staggered stance, one foot in front of the other. Elbows can slide up the wall so you can no longer reach any higher. And then from there, you want to start to slowly bend each knee and drop into it. Again, increasing extension through thoracic spine. Another tip just came out in April is to try to reduce the kind of strain with sitting for prolonged periods of time, particularly in front of a screen, is the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, find something 20 feet away at least, and focus on that for 20 seconds.